Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert PDF file to PSD in Adobe Photoshop. So let's start. At first, open your Photoshop document. In this video, I will show convert PDF to PSD. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now select from find your PDF file. Now select from PDF. Now click for open. Now click for OK. That is. Now you can see open the PDF file. This PDF file convert from PSD. Now you can see now again going to the file menu option, then click, then select from save as option. Now you can see then show the new interface. Now select from format menu option, then click. Now click for PSD Photoshop, then select from save. Now click for OK. That it. Now you can see convert PDF to PSD in Adobe Photoshop is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.